Imagine earning passive income while you take a nap, all thanks to Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to reveal the untapped secrets of Pinterest affiliate marketing that the gurus won't tell you. Ready to discover how you can explode your income and beat the competition? Watch until the end to unlock these game-changing strategies. First things first, let's talk about why creating visually appealing pins is crucial for your success on Pinterest. Picture scrolling through an endless feed filled with content, and suddenly, a pin catches your eye. What made you stop? Was it the vibrant colors, a catchy image, or perhaps the appealing typography? That's the power of a well-designed pin. Visual appeal is your ticket to standing out in a crowded space. The more eye-catching your pin, the higher the chances someone will click on it. And clicks mean more traffic to your affiliate links, ultimately leading to more income. But it doesn't stop there. Pinterest is a visual search engine. The algorithm favors pins that attract engagement, meaning the more appealing your pin, the more the algorithm will push it to more users. Now, let's break down what makes a pin visually appealing. First, you need a high-quality image. Blurry or pixelated images can turn viewers away faster than you can say affiliate marketing. Next up, colors. Bold, contrasting colors tend to grab attention more effectively than dull or similar hues. Think about using text overlays to convey your message instantly. Just make sure the text is readable and not too cluttered. Typography plays a massive role as well. Mix and match fonts to create a hierarchy within your pin, but keep it cohesive. Too many fonts can make your pin look messy. Lastly, add a call to action as it nudges the viewer to take the next step, like clicking on your link or saving your pin for later. So, how can you ensure your pins are not just seen but clicked on and saved? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. All right, so let's talk about designing high-converting pins. The first step is choosing a design tool. Canva is a fantastic option because it's user-friendly and packed with templates specifically designed for Pinterest. Start by selecting a template that aligns with your niche. When you open Canva, search for Pinterest pin and pick a design that catches your eye. Don't worry if it's not perfect, you can customize it later. Now, let's talk about high-quality images. Canva provides a library of free images, but you can also upload your own. Make sure the image you choose is clear and eye-catching. A stunning image is the foundation of a high-converting pin. Next, focus on color. Bright, bold colors are your friends here. They help your pin stand out in a crowded feed. If you're not sure which colors to use, look at popular pins in your niche for inspiration. Canva also allows you to apply color filters to enhance your images. Now, let's dive into typography. You'll want to use a combination of fonts to create a text hierarchy. This helps guide the viewer's eye. For instance, your main headline should be in a bold, easily readable font, while supporting text can be in a simpler, smaller font. Canva offers a variety of fonts, so mix and match until you find a combination that pops but remains cohesive. Adding text overlays is crucial. Ensure your message is clear and concise. Avoid cluttering your pin with too much text. Use clear, actionable language that tells the viewer exactly what they will gain by clicking on your pin. Don't forget the call to action CTA. This is a small but vital part of your pin. Phrases like learn more, check it out, or get tips can nudge viewers to click on your link. Place your CTA in a spot that's easily noticeable, but ensure it doesn't overshadow the main message. Finally, fine-tune your design. Make sure everything aligns well and the fonts are consistent. Preview your design on different devices to ensure it looks good everywhere. So, what specific elements do you find most challenging when designing your pins? So, you want your pins to stand out and attract a flood of traffic, right? Well, let me tell you, keyword-rich descriptions are absolutely crucial for this. When you include relevant keywords in your pin description, you're telling Pinterest algorithm exactly what your content is about. This makes it easier for your pins to show up in search results when people look for related topics. Think of it as giving your pins a roadmap to be discovered. Now, let's talk about Pinterest SEO. Just like with Google, search engine optimization on Pinterest helps your content get noticed. Start by researching keywords that are relevant to your niche. Use the Pinterest search bar to see what terms pop up when you type in the subjects related to your content. Once you have your keywords, sprinkle them through your pin titles, descriptions, and even in the board names you save your pins to. Make sure your descriptions are engaging but also straightforward. Focus on what people will gain by checking out your pin, whether it's a helpful tutorial, a delicious recipe, or valuable tips. Be clear and concise with a sprinkle of excitement to pique their curiosity. Remember, the more relevant and catchy your description, the more likely it is to grab attention. So, there you have it. Keyword-rich descriptions and Pinterest SEO are the magic ingredients to skyrocketing your pin visibility. Ready to see your pins gain more traction than ever? What keyword strategy are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments.